we're going to jump right into our half double crochet in the round. Remember, when you're working in the round, we are not joining with a slip stitch. You will just move on to your next stitch because we are working in continuous rounds. In order to make a half double crochet, we are going to yarn over, then we're going to insert our hook into our next stitch. For this one, we'll be going under both loops. You can yarn over and pull through. We will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Let's do that one more time. We're going to yarn over, place our hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's it. That's a half double crochet. It's super simple and it's a really pretty stitch. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and crochet alongs.